Hello, welcome again, everyone. Before I get into the vlog, I just want to say thanks to everybody that turned out to watch the vlogs. Thanks to everyone that's giving their support. If you like these vlogs, down there, yes, you see it down there. Click the like button. Remember to like it. Leave comments, leave the feedback, people. Let me know what's going on. Let me know if you like the vlog. I know a lot of people dropping in my DM, giving me thumbs up and stuff like that, encouraging me to continue with the vlogs. So I want to say big respect to all the people who drop in and really like it. People actually like the latest mini clip that I dropped. when a man want it back. Look out for more of those. I'll be dropping a few mini clips. I'll try to spice it up and thing. But yeah. So remember, like, subscribe, and share, people. Getting into the vlog now. This is a relationship topic. So one of my gingerbread asked me the question, how to be happy after a breakup. This is kind of funny because I've recently been through one of those. So it's like, I can relate to that. So let me get into it. So how to be happy after a breakup. Really? I don't think I can be happy after you just break up with somebody. Reason being is that you were with that person for a while, I guess, or you really care about that person, so you were happy with that person. So now that you break up, you're trying to be happy again. Well, it doesn't really work like that. You know that Earth have gravity, right? And you will pull you down, and literally, if you're in an airplane or something and you jump out, gravity going to pull you down. Pretty much. So when you're in a relationship, you're like in an airplane or on cloud nine, you're floating and enjoying it, no gravity and stuff, nothing to pull you down. So when you're out of relationship, no, you're looking to be happy again, you want to be on cloud nine. So it is pretty simple. You're just coming out of a relationship, you're not going to be happy just like that. You're going to take your time. So a breakup is a breakup pretty much. It has ended, and you want to be happy again. So to truly be happy after a breakup, my advice is that be yourself. Do things that you love. Do things that make you feel good from within. So try that. Find things to do to occupy your time, to get your mind off, being in a relationship constantly. That can help as well. So coming out of that relationship stage and being by yourself, you might be sad and down and gloomy and you're just dragging along day by day, Just get out of the house, find something to do, talk to people about it, talk to people about the relationship, vent, cry about it, crying helps. Cry about it, vent, share it, cuss him, cuss somebody, if that's what helps. Listen to music, that might be helpful as well. So there's a bunch of things that you can do to actually help you in a relationship or after the relationship has ended. So those are the things that you can do. Remember, relationship was like a roller coaster, right? So you're going up and down, good times, bad times, lie down, yeah, up and down. And then you break up, so you realize it's like a volcano now. So that's a breakup right here. So this is the relationship. So relationship will go on till it reach the volcano, and the volcano just blow, boom. So yeah, that's it. So my advice to you, gingerbread, don't pretend like you never care about the person. You can still check up on the person and thing. Don't pretend like the person was that part of your life or the person that they contribute to you. It's a breakup, people. People break up and get back together. I've learned that. I've experienced that myself. Ooh, there's a lightning over here. Anyway, yeah, but yeah, people go through things differently. So don't think it's the end of the world. Don't think it's the end of the world. Don't go ahead and say, hey, you make a mistake. No, you learn from that relationship, and it's pretty good. So just continue, pick up, where you left off, and just continue to cheer up yourself. Find things to do, like literally play a sport, watch shows, find things to do, go to work, vent, don't vent and try to fight him or try to get somebody to kill him or kill her or lay with her and stop her. No, don't do that, but vent consciously. So that's the best way to be happy after a breakup. Just be yourself. Do things that makes you feel good from the inside, literally. You have that happy feeling from the inside, and let that flow to the outside, and you start to see the changes. You start to feel better about yourself. So don't go around and feel like it's end of the world or nothing like that, or kill yourself. I'm against that completely. So yeah, be yourself. Try to be happy. Go around people that make you happy. Do things that make you happy. Continue to be yourself, and just be you. So that's it, people. Thanks for tuning in to watch this vlog. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks again, people. People, if you have a topic you want to talk about, leave it in the comments. Inbox me anything at all. Just leave them. Thanks again. Remember, J Vlogs. Like, subscribe, and share, people. I'm out.